Hi everyone, we're going to do fun stuff now. We're going to filter our maps so that we can start seeing some geographic patterns. So the first thing that we need to do is save our map. So after you've opened up the map link that was given to you, click on Save and call it Neighbourhood Audit. And now we're ready to start filtering the data. So what we want to do is make sure we're just looking at our own data. So we're going to use this filter tool. So when you click on it, I want you to add a set. Now you'll see that these two are grouped together. Okay, so we're just going to get rid of this other one. And so we just have the set. So we want to say, where are we here? Which class are you in? Period 1. And which group are you in? And I'm going to use group 10. So whatever group and period, that's what you're going to use. Click Apply Filter, and you'll know that only your data is going to appear for. Oops, wait a second though. Let's go back. It says at the moment, if it matches any of the following expressions, we need to change that so that it says all of these expressions. Now, when I click on it, yeah, I've got just my data. So if I click on any of these, I should be able to see that it's period 1, group 10, which is my group. So, so the next thing we want to do, I would suggest to say again, is we're going to make 2 more copies of this layer. So we're going to hit copy, and then we're going to copy it again. And we're going to rename these. So if you click on the 3 little dots here, rename this environmental examples. One will make social examples. And finally, economic examples. Right, so we've got the 3 different categories. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure that it's just displaying those examples. So we'll turn off these 2 layers. And we're going to change the filter now for the environmental one. So we want to go Edit. And we want to keep this expression. We want to add another one. So in this case, the category of the feature is environmental. When we click Apply Filter, now when we click on it, you'll notice these are just environmental examples. If we want fancy, we can click on the Change Style. We'll change the symbols to whatever type of environmental feature it is. So we'll put a different color for each one of the different categories. We can make it a little bit larger. So if you don't like the size of those symbols, you can click on Options and change the visibility range to be a bit bigger. And that should be good. All right, so click OK and click Done. Now we're going to do the same for the categories. So we'll just turn off this layer, turn on the social layer, edit the filter by adding this expression. And once again, if you want to change the symbols, and then our last one's the economic. Once you've done your changes, make sure that you save your work. Click on share. Share it to your group. And then save one more time. When you have to submit, you can say, get your submission.